The mosaicon was brought into existence in 2127 by none other than Perlog Zeraham, who came to receive the emperor's robe at the age of 13, along with the commandment that he shall either make it or die. His famous last words are stated to us on behalf of a great authority as, "Our original sin is that we are nothing but competing, evolving replicators with no direction or purpose. Reality does not exist, but a feeling may always come back, and the present is the only time where we can create our happy memories for the future," he said.